Okay, good day everyone. So yeah, I'm here to talk about this powerful spiritual these two products. This is gloves and this is called money perfume. If you are the type that maybe when you go out or you go to your business area and nothing is happening there, you want money to be inflow of money in your business, and when you go to your business places, you want people to come and patronize you, you want to come and buy from you. Now, this called money spiritual perfume is very cheap in the market. You get it, you add your gloves according to your age. According to your age, if you are 20, add 20 pieces of glove. Please, when adding gloves, make sure you get the one that is complete, not the one that is half. Some people, when they say add gloves, you just count any kind of gloves and put it inside. You are not half. There's none of your year that is half. Every year is complete. So according to your age, add it into this call money perfume. Allow it to stay for 2 days or a day, 24 hours. Let me say, allow it to stay for 24 hours. After 24 hours, just spray it on your body before going out. It's very simple. At the same time, some people will say it's hard. Spray it on your body. Take it to your shop, spray it in your shop. It has a very good fragrance. You can use it as your daily perfume. You can use it as something. You can use it to mop your shop, but I would prefer you use it to spray your shop. Keep it in your shop for business people. Business people, those that have market, those that have what they sell, use it. If you know you sell something that they eat, use it on your body. Spray it on your body. If you know you sell something that they don't eat, spray it around your business area and come back with your testimony. It's very, very easy. All money spiritual perfume. It's very cheap. Gloves is also cheap. These two things, you people go to spiritual shop, you will see this one, you feel you is nothing. But it has its own special work it does in everyone's life. It's just for you to give it a try. And before then, go through my page. You see many of my videos where I teach about cleansing. Try and be doing cleansing. And while you do cleansing, those energy that will stop this thing from not working for you, you have cleansed it away and it will start working. Are you getting me? There's nothing hard to try. Give it a try and see. While you're giving something a try, do also have patience. Many people don't have patience. Many people don't have patience. It's like this life is all about patience. Something that has been bothering you for many years, and you got to where you get to a place that somebody wants to do something for you. All you need to do is to be patient because you have been with that problem for years. You are patient with it, saying God will look for a way. God has given us plans. God has given us ability. God has given us energy. God has given us strength. You just want to add faith to it and make use of it, and it will work out perfectly for you. There's nothing to think to go worry about or to think less of yourself. Come to the social media, everybody have bring out their spiritual gifts, their spiritual talent on social media for others to learn, because we can't die with it. Those of us that have calling, we can't die. Even when we die, it's not good for us to die with that they've given us to do. We are here to liberate. We are here to bring people out from a lot of problems that they are by the grace of God. Now, when they say you should go and do something, do it with faith. All what the spiritualist need from you or is faith. Nobody now, just like in olden days that you need to go to the person will prepare something for you. No. Now, everybody has come out on social media to teach that which their ancestors, their only one, teach them. That which their spiritual forces teaches them to teach to you people. When they bring it out to teach you, all you do is to just practice make perfect. Practice it. Do it yourself. If it's something you know you cannot do on your own, you place order on the thing. And while placing order, add patience, add faith. Don't expect somebody, okay, you have not cleansed. Some people that have not cleansed for 1 year now, 2 years, you want to go and use this and expect it to work, but it will not work. Truth is bitter. But if you know you do cleansing always, you know yourself. There's no how if you are clean. There are some kind of sign you will be receiving, you will be seeing in yourself that will make you know that yes, your spiritual, you are being alive spiritually. Some people when they sleep, bruh, they'll wake up, they won't even remember a penny of what they dream of. Some people, they will even eat in the dream. They see it as normal. Some they face arrow, some they face a lot of challenges, and they see it as normal. Some people knows it's not normal, but how will they put an end to it? Hello, if you go to a spiritualist that want to do something for you, see it get to the present life. That is just some people say, "Oh, the one I did, they no work, impatient. Not knowing you're wasting your money, you're just throwing your money around. Some spiritual work is some spiritual work is they will do it and it will start from the very beginning of that problem. They'll start correcting it till it get to the present time you solve that issue. Then you begin to see testimonies. The testimonies you always see some people when they do work for them, people that have forgotten them, you begin to remember them. If the forces or the spiritualists do not, the angels or your onua, your chi, did not go and correct that mistake from the past, when it get to the present, hello, you you will not, those people will not remember you. It will only be people that you met around in presence that will remember you. But if they went back to correct your mistake, to correct your life from that from the past, correct it to the very present of your life, then you see people that reality is patient. It's not giggity giddy giddy. It's not running around. It's not impatient. It's all about patience and faith. And you allow them work, do their work, and you see the work they are doing, it will become perfectly okay for you. That you will enjoy it, you will benefit from it without stress. But when someone did something for you and they say, hey, after 7 days, I'll begin, watch yourself. Those people at the past will not come. It's only those you met around. And when the those you met around came, they only come to spend a period of time. After some time, they will leave and you will not see them again. You begin to say, my problem have started again. Yes, because the person that did the work did not do it to correct your mistake, to correct that wrong. Not even though it's not your mistake, the wrong from the very past, from the very beginning you were born, the attack did not correct that thing that is supposed to be happening correctly in your life. Then they'll just correct, they only correct the present part of it and allow the past to swap. But if the person that did the spiritual work for you, do it from the very beginning, talk to your ancestors that have been guiding you, awaken them, they will begin to fight that battle to this present life. That is when you begin to see people coming close to you, people loving you, people that have forgotten about your connections. You begin to wonder, how did this person get my number? Maybe you might have even delayed the person's number, even lost that SIM card. But one way or the other, those people will look for, they will make sure the person come to you. Spiritual control the physical. If I say, let me talk about things in this life, like the spiritual way for us to understand, people will think I'm just coming out to talk. Everything is not all about blah blah blah. It's all about patience. And the patient dog, they said, eats the fattest bone. Just like people say, if the patient dog eat the fattest bone, what about the dog that met the flesh? The dog that met the flesh, he cannot even tell the story. But the one that met the bone can give you story of how it all began. Can give you story of how it tests. I don't want to talk much. Stay safe and God bless you.